I almost forgot to start recording. That would have been embarrassing. How would I have got my 300 views? Now we're going this way. Come on, back into the woods. Bobby's very hesitant to turn back. She thinks we're going back to the truck. But we're about to turn off onto a untrodden path, and that'll hype her up and it'll make her more willing to turn around next time when I ask her, because she's had that good experience. All right. Put these bad boys in sports mode. I actually don't usually put these in sports mode because they're pretty solid regardless. This way. This way. Good girl. Oh, shoot. Hell yeah, dude. Oh, I got a thorn in my foot. Damn, dude. This area is usually always just sandy. Oh, this is the area I was thinking of that's always sandy. Is this a locust? A locust tree? It's been top cut at some point, but it's coming back. Each one of these is its individual leaf. These little things are just leaflets. Look at the continuation right there. Oh, dude, I'm pretty sure this is poison sumac. I was just looking up videos of this the other day because I wasn't sure what it looked like, but it's got these waxy kind of looking smooth edge. I mean, this one's kind of got serrations. Don't touch that, Bobby.
Let's get out of here.
This way, Marley. Whew. Shit, I'll take them. Whew. This used to be my fishing spot back in high school. Got plenty of hooks snagged on this tree back in the day, but back then it was farther down. Off. Actually, I really don't care if you step in it, but you can't like go deep into it or anything. So we gotta get out of here somehow. This way. This used to be the path. Now this is the path, but it used to be like right there. Cruisy. Oh, Marley. Marley, come. Marley, come. Come. Good girl. Let's go. Good girl. Off. Don't eat that poop. Off. Y'all are weird. They didn't get it, but they were going to for sure. some nasty black poop. Yeah, let's do it. Go on. Damn, the tide's really high up today. Yoink. Tick City right there. Damn, dude. It's been a little while since anybody's been down here. Let's cut through here. This way. All right. Yeah, I think right there is the best way. This way. Oh, baby. Hold on, Marley. Good girl. That's as far as you're getting, dude. I think we're gonna turn around up here at this little valley. It's definitely cooler than it was yesterday and the day before by about 10, 15 degrees. But it's still like 80, 87 degrees, I think. I think that Marley is acclimating a little bit more to the heat. And she's doing pretty good right now. She's still pulling like a... Is this time? All this. Let's go. But we're about 20 minutes from the truck right now. It probably won't take us 20 minutes to get back, but I don't want to cross the point of no return with Marley and risk not getting her back to the truck before she's, you know, starting to show signs of heat exhaustion. The Buffy's Meadow. Tap it on it. All right, guys, this way. Is this an apple tree right here? What kind of tree is this? Maybe, like, it kind of looks a little bit like a birch at the top. The leaves are all withered though, so it's hard to tell. It looks like a creepy apple tree. This way. Come on, let's go get in the shade. Oh, dude, I'm hungry as hell. Damn, dude, I'm hungry as all get out all of a sudden.